In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add and edit event listings and also to change the categories, add and edit categories that they show up under. So we have our upcoming events page here on our Peoria test site as an example. So we'll go into the control panel in Expression Engine, and under structure we'll find our upcoming events. And so here we are. And you can see, just like a blog listing, because it's a dynamic listing, we'll see our add and edit options. So let's go ahead and add a new event. So my new event. And we'll just paste some placeholder content in there. And the key for events is that we actually want to go in date, the date tab, and actually pick the date of the event so it shows up in the right place on the front side. So in this case, we'll say that our event is coming up in the future, February 17th here. And if you wanted it to automatically fall off the events listing, you could set an expiration date. But in this case, we'll just leave it up there. So we've got our date set, we've got our information on our publish screen, and we'll save our entry, click submit. So now if we go back to our upcoming events listing and we refresh, we can see our new event here showing up in order. So if we wanted to go back and edit an event, just like a blog entry, we find our listing, our upcoming events listing. We can click edit, and that's a shortcut to take us to the edit screen filtered to just our events channel. So our new event that we just did, we'll go ahead and go back in and edit that. And so say we want to change the date, we can just go back in and we'll change the date. That's January 6th today, so we'll set it for tomorrow and save it. And you can see if we go back over to our test site, now it shows up in the new order with the new date. So let's go ahead and assign some categories. So again, just like before, we'll go back in and edit our listings, find our event, and now we're back in the edit screen. So we've got a different tab here that doesn't show up in most of the pages called categories. So if we click into that, we'll see a couple of the categories that are set up. We've got campus life and juvenile justice set up here as an example. So we can click and select multiple categories, or we can actually make our own category. So if we click edit category, say we want to add a new category here. Here's where we can change the order of how they're displayed on the front end. But in this case, we want to click add category. And we'll make a new city life category. And we don't have to worry about URL title or description. None of the stuff is going to be displayed on the front end, and the URL title, which is the browser URL, will automatically be filled in based on the name if we leave it blank. So we're just going to fill in the name, click submit, and you'll see our category list here has changed. And maybe I want to make well, I guess I want to edit that and actually make it city life, not live. And we'll change our URL title then. So we'll update this. And here's where, if we wanted to, we could change the order. Okay, so now it's important, now that we've changed our category setup here, we've actually got to click done over here next to where we added a category. So we'll click done. And that will actually refresh our categories here in our category tab back in our publish form. So now that we've got our new category set up, we can actually go ahead and click City Life. And you can see, we'll just go back in our publish form. We've got all of our stuff. We've got our category set up. So now we'll go ahead and submit to save this entry. So now if we go back under our upcoming events and refresh, you'll see now that we have a new category and that there's an entry assigned to it, it's not empty, it will show up over here under our events by category. So now if we click City Life, we're filtered to just our new event that we've that we've assigned our new City Life category, and that is adding and editing event entries and assigning them categories.